So hello everyone, this is the third method to construct an ellipse, and the name of the method is basic locus method. It is also called focus directrix method. So the problem is construct an ellipse when the distance between the focus and directrix that is given to us 50 mm and eccentricity is given that is 2 by 3, which is less than 1, and that is the case of ellipse. When the eccentricity is less than 1, so that will be the case of ellipse. So let us understand the data which is given in the problem. It has been given the distance between directrix and the focus, that is 50 mm. So directrix means it's a fixed straight line. So if we take this fixed straight line and if we take any point on that directrix, if we name it C, so it has been given to us directrix and the focus length is 50. So that means it has been given to us that the CF is 50 mm. So CF is given to us 50 mm. Next, it is given eccentricity is 2 by 3. So eccentricity is going to provide us the vertex. Vertex means this capital V. This V has been obtained by the value of eccentricity. So eccentricity is defined as it's a point located at distance from the focus divided by distance from the directrix. So distance from the focus means the focus distance from the focus that is given to us 2 unit, and the distance from the directrix that is given to us 3 unit. So this vertex is at distance 2 from the focus and 3 from the directrix. So it has been given to us VF upon VC, that is 2 by 3. So VF upon VC, that is equal to 2 by 3. So if we add the VF and VC values, so we will be getting 2 plus 2, that is 5. Again we will be using this 5 while constructing the ellipse. So the data which is given to us, that is CF is 50 mm and VF upon VC, that is 2 by 3. So our aim is to construct this ellipse. So we have to construct this ellipse. So as already I have discussed in last videos of ellipse, that methods are going to just provide us number of points. All the methods which we have discussed previously also, that were providing us number of points so as to join and obtain the ellipse in smooth manner. So here also this method is also going to provide us number of points. So how to proceed in this method? Step by step I am going to explain. Draw the directrix, which will be a straight line, fixed straight line. Take any point, name it capital C. Draw axis which will be perpendicular to the directrix. Next, it has been given CF is equal to 50 mm. So plot the focus such that the length of CF is 50 mm. Now divide the CF into 5 equal parts, as we have to plot the vertex, and the vertex is given to us is 2 units from the focus and the 3 units from the directrix. So divide the CF into 5 equal parts, so 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So from the focus the second unit will be this one. So this is the location of vertex. So the next step is draw a vertical line from the vertex. You have to draw the vertical line from the vertex. Now what will be the length of this line? This length of this line will be equal to the VF. This length of the line will be equal to VF. So measure VF and cut along this vertical line. So wherever it will be cutting, that point is named as E. That is capital E. Now next step is join CE. You have to join CE and extend the line. Join CE and just extend the line. What we have done till now? Directrix, focus, CF is 50 mm, vertex 2 units from the focus or the 3 units from the directrix. Draw a vertical line such that VF is equal to V. So VF is equal to VE. Join EC and extend the line. Next step is on the right of the V, on the right side of the V, you have to take any number of points, and that points can be at equal distance or it can be selected randomly. So suppose I have taken this point as a 1, I have taken 2, 3, this is 4 and this is 5. So I have taken 5 points randomly on the right side of the V. We can take at equal distance also. So next step is draw the verticals from each and every point. So draw the vertical from 1, draw the vertical line from this 2, draw the vertical line from this 3, draw vertical from 4 and vertical from the 5. So what I have done have drawn the vertical from each and every point which I have taken on the right side of the V. So all the lines, when I have drawn the vertical, that lines intersecting this CE line at some point. This one is intersecting at this point, so the name of that point will be 1 dash. Same for 2, this will be 2 dash, this will be 3 dash, this will be 4 dash, and this will be 5 dash. That will be 5 dash. Now, next step is we have to take the radius. Now we have to use compass. So we have to measure the radius 1 dash. Radius will be 1 dash. Next the radius will be 2 dash. Then the radius will be 3 dash. Radius will be 4 dash, and the radius will be 5 dash. So the radius will keep on changing. The radius will keep on changing, but one thing that will not be changed, that will be the focus. That is the center. So center will be the focus, but the radius will be keep on changing. So the meaning is, at the first we have to take the radius 1 dash, and we have to keep the compass needle at the focus, and we have to cut arc on that particular line 1 dash on the above, also at the below. So we will be getting the point at the above axis and also on the below the axis. Next we will be taking the radius 2 dash, radius will be 2 dash. Now center will be the focus. Again we will be cutting the point on the above as well as on the below. Now radius will be 3 dash. Again the center will be the focus. Again we will be cutting the arc. Radius will be 4 dash. Again the center will be the focus. We will be going to cut it arc. Radius will be 5 dash. Again the focus. Again we will be cutting an arc. Now where will be the end? What will be the end point of this ellipse? So to locate the end point, what we will be doing? We will be applying a trick, and the trick will be, from the focus we have to draw. From the focus we have to draw a line of 45 degree. From this focus I will be drawing a line of 45 degree. So this is a line of 45 degree from the focus. So again that line is going to intersect this C line at some point. So let's suppose it is cutting at this point. So draw the vertical from that point. So wherever it will be cutting on the axis, this is the vertex. This is the second vertex. It will be named as V dash. That means our ellipse is going to start from this V, and ellipse is going to end at this V. Also, if you take this vertex as a 6 point, you draw the vertical on this C line. If this is 6 dash, if you measure 6 dash, and if you take the center as a focus, and when you will cut, so automatically you will be getting the same point. Automatically you will be getting the same point. So it's better to plot this second vertex by using a line 45 degree from the focus. So what I have done, I have taken a line 45 degree from the focus. It was intersecting at this C line at some point. I have dropped the vertical, so I have got the focus. So now we are having number of points. We are having number of points on the above the axis and below the axis. Now we will be joining all the points, and we will be getting the required ellipse. Now I haven't used any technical instrument. That's why the curve is not that much smooth. But when you will be drawing by means of instruments, so automatically the ellipse is going to be very smooth. Also, I have taken the number of points only 5 on the right of the V. But as you increase the number of points on the right of the V, more points you will be getting, so that your curve will be more smooth. So this is the general method which will be used for drawing the ellipse. So again I am going to repeat the entire step. First of all, directrix, plot the directrix and the axis, then plot the focus. It has been given the CF is 50 mm, so plot the focus point, then plot the vertex. Vertex has been given 2 from the focus and 3 from the directrix. Then draw a vertical line from the vertex, and the length of the vertical line will be same as VF. So VF will be equal to V. Then join CE and extend the line. Join CE and extend the line. Now on the right of the V, take any number of points. I have taken 1, this is 2, 3, 4 and 5. You can take any number of points. From all the points, draw a vertical line, and that vertical line is going to intersect this C line at some point. So name accordingly. 1 dash 1, this is 1 dash 2, 2 dash 3, 3 dash 4, 4 dash 5, 5 dash. So now take radius 1 1 dash, 2 2 dash, 3 3 dash, 4 4 dash, 5 5 dash, and the center will be the common, that will be the focus. Now cut an arc on that same line. If you are taking 1 1 dash as a radius, take the focus center and you have to cut on that particular line, the top and bottom. Same for 2 2 dash radius, center will be the focus and you have to cut that particular line and top and bottom. Now to get the end point, what they have told you, you draw a line from the focus of 45 degree. It will intersect again at C line at some point, draw a vertical, then again you will be getting the second vertex. So this is the required ellipse. Now the pencil work you have to take very proper, because the ellipse should be dark. Our main object is the ellipse. So ellipse should be dark, remaining all the lines should be very light. Now this is the general method which can be applicable to parabola as well as for hyperbola also, based on the value of eccentricity.